So don't give up, love worth fighting for. Even if it hurts, you know. Don't give up, love worth dying for. Even if it kills, you know. Don't give up, just gotta get away from everything that people say. So don't give up, love worth dying for. Even if it kills, you know. Hear me when I say it's like breathing. You know I will never stop, even if I break into pieces. Your love is everything I got, so I just gotta get away from everything that people say. I just wanna know you're okay. So don't give up, love worth fighting for. Even if it hurts, you know. Don't give up.
Plus minus 3s are minus 2s and minus s. Minus 2s times minus s will give us plus 2s squared, giving us the product. And then minus 2s minus 2 minus s will give us minus 3s, giving us the sum. So what we do is we replace this sum with what? The two factors of what? 2 that give us what? The solution. So now we have s squared minus, instead of me to have right minus 3 here, minus 3s here, I'm going to have minus 2x minus s plus 2 greater than 0. Have you seen? Okay, so the next thing we do is it has given us 4 terms instead of the initial 3 terms. So we separate it in binomial form. Separate it in what? Binomial form. By 2. So the factors, what is common here? So now the next thing we do is
I've started now.
Now the next thing we do is we have to factor what is common here out. And what is common there is what? X. So what is remaining here is x minus what is here remaining is what? 2. If you clear this bracket, s times s, s squared, s times 2, 2x. Have you seen? Minus. Now what is common here is nothing but 1. Because 1 times any number is that number. So bring that 1 out. Then what is remaining here is x. Now minus times plus is minus. Greater than what? 0. So now we now see that we have something that is getting closer to what you already know. X minus 1 first will be greater than 0, and S minus 2, because we have double 2 things that are of the same thing. So we take one of the common factors, right? Is greater than what? 0. The next thing we do is it's either s minus 1 is greater than 0 and s minus 2 is greater than 0, or s minus 1 less than 0 and s minus 2 less than 0, according to the rule of quadratic inequality. That is what I want to apply. So the next thing we do is find the value of s right from here. In this case, s is greater than what? Minus 1 moving over the equality sign becomes what? The inequality sign becomes what? 1. So s is greater than 1. And in this case, minus 2 moving over will give us s greater than what? 2. Don't underline them yet because we have not gotten the two values of s such that they will satisfy this inequality. So we are going to test. That's what you mean. So the next thing we do is, in this case, and here is s is just less than what? 1. When 1 crosses over the inequality. And s is less than what? 2. If 2 crosses in inequality, right? So now we are going to test these 4 values of x. 4 sets. Right? Now the first one, when we say s is greater than 1. So let us take any number greater than 1 in this case. So let s be equal to 2 in that case. If s is equal to 2, let us test it in this inequality. So anywhere we see s equal to 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 2. If this is greater than 0, then that one is part of our solution. Okay, so the first thing we do is we take this set and look at any number greater than 1 and then put it in this inequality sign, in this quadratic inequality. If we satisfy this left hand side that any answer we have gotten is greater than 1, is greater than 0, then this is part of our solution set. If not, then this is not part of our solution set. So let us have a number greater than 1, and I have chosen 2. 2 is greater than 1, right? Good. So then the next thing you do is put 2 in this inequality. And when we put 2 is 2 squared is what? And then minus 3 times what? S is 2. Then plus 2. And if you evaluate that this is 4 minus 6 plus 2. Because 3 times 2 is what? 6. So 4 minus 6 is minus 2 plus 2. And this is exactly 0. But is this greater than 0? Is this greater than 0? No. So this is not part of our solution set. We cancel it. We go to the next one. Take this one. Take a number greater than 2. Let S be equal to 3. 3 is greater than 2, right? Okay, beautiful. Put it in this inequality. On this quadratic inequality. So we're having to have what? 3 squared minus 3 into 3 plus 2. So you can see 3 squared is 9. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2. And this is exactly 2 because 9 minus 9 is what? 0. Alright, let me show you what. 0 plus 2, which is what? 2. So is 2 greater than 0? Yes. So this one is part of our solution set. We take it. Come to the second stage, where we have S less than 1 and S less than 2 as a set. So give me a number less than 1. Let us take S equal to 0. If S is equal to 0, put it in this quadratic inequality. We are going to have 0 squared minus 3 into 0 plus 2 is greater than what? 0. Let's see. Sorry, don't write greater than 0 yet until we get the answer. So we now have 0 squared is 0, minus 3 times 0 is still 0, then plus 2. So what we have gotten here is just 2. Is 2 greater than 0? Yes. Again. Listen, now that 2 is greater than 0, we can now see that this is part of our solution set. Now, if you take a number less than 2 here and put in that quadratic inequality, it will not satisfy that inequality. Let's assume S equal to 1. 1 squared is 1, 3 times 1 is 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So it's not part of our solution set. So this and this are not part of our solution set, while this and this are part of our solution set. So therefore, the possible values of S that will satisfy this inequality are S less than 1 and S less than 2 as required. So, watching, subscribe, like, and follow me. Like and follow. Follow me on YouTube, on TikTok, on Telegram, and every other social media. Facebook, I'm always there for you. Alright? And then if you have any challenge, you can ask questions on this particular one or any other one. You can post it with us. Comment on our comment section and we will solve it for you. Is that clear? If you need our extra effort or services by contracting out for us to tutor you or your wards or your children, please, we're always available. Online teaching, we are doing it. It's still your friend, Mr. Vitalis. Thank you so much for watching. It's an interesting topic. God bless you. Bye.